way, brethren. Wait, I'll lower the crane. I'll lower the crane now. I'm lowering it. Get in, then. And I'll lift you up, and then I'll let you drive the crane. I'll just put you on top of this roof. Okay, let me just... Okay, I'll let you. Right, you go into it, and you should be able to hold X on it. You should be able to do it. Are you doing it? It should say X. Oh, you haven't got the ability then. I don't think you've got the ability. Nah, 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 nah. Nah, 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 nah. Nah, 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 nah. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, watch this guy. Watch this guy right here. Right here. Just in front of me, like just there. Just there. With brown top, with the shite top. With the shit. Watch this. No, don't. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this.
Don't try anything or I will shoot. I have a right to be here.
There we go.
That is a bad idea.
Tase both cops. Where were you? Where were you? Where were you? On patrol, Unit 506. Police Unit 506 following Unit Jenkins. This is Unit 506. I think Unit Jenkins is dead. I repeat, Unit Jenkins is dead. Bailey, come get this car in front of me. Get that police car right there. Let's go on patrol, sir. I'm going down a one-way lane, but then I just turned. I'm going to arrest the Let's go rob a shop. Let's go rob a clothes store. No, but meet at the same one. Mine's like down the road from yours as well. Yeah, you knew which one I was going to. Don't do it yet, don't do it yet, don't do it yet. Unit 506 needed to get here. Unit